Want to unlink your Instagram account from your Facebook Meta Business Suite? You are in the right place. This video is divided into two parts for those who will be using their phones or if you'll be using your PC. So make sure you navigate to the part that works for you. Before you proceed, make sure your Instagram account has its own unique email address and password to avoid losing access after the accounts are separated. Log in to your Facebook from your web browser. From the bottom left corner, you will see Meta Business Suite. If you can't see it, click on Show More and you will find it there. And if you still can't find it, click on your profile picture to the top right corner and you will see Meta Business Suite. If you click on any one of them, it will all lead you to the same page. Okay? On this page, you will see that your Instagram and Facebook accounts are linked together, just the way you are seeing mine. That's how it's going to be. To the bottom left corner, go ahead and click on Settings. And here you will find all your accounts in Meta Business Suite. Click the three dots in front of the account you want to remove. Go ahead and click on Remove from Business Portfolio. And the information here is simply telling you that once you unlink the two accounts, the people managing your page and Instagram account will not be able to do it from Meta Business Suite again. Read and understand it, then click on Remove. And here it's simply saying that my Facebook page is connected to my Instagram account. I need to solve that before they will allow me. Go ahead and click on Disconnect Page, and this is going to take few seconds for them to disconnect the page. And now you have successfully disconnected your Instagram from your Meta Business Suite. Just in case your own is not showing like this, all you simply need to do is to refresh your browser and you will have your Instagram and Facebook disconnected. For mobile users, open your Meta Business Suite app. On your homepage, this is how your Meta Business Suite is going to be. You can see my Instagram and Facebook here and the number of followers I have. Now, to the bottom right corner, click on More, the menu icon, click on it. Click on Settings. Scroll down till you are able to find Instagram. Now go ahead and click on Connected. On this page, go ahead and read all the information. It's just Meta Business Suite warning you of what is going to happen to your account once you disconnect it. Once you are done reading, click on Disconnect. Read the next information again. Once you are satisfied, click on Disconnect Account. And this is going to take about 10 to 15 seconds. Voila! And now you have successfully disconnected your two accounts. If this works for you, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on all post notifications so you never miss any useful tips like this. Also, don't forget to check out my YouTube channel for other useful videos like this. Bye for now.